Lots of comments like this about the baby's position in my Better Way to Burp Your Baby video, so let's talk about it. At no point are we leaving the baby in an upright position. You're leaning them immediately forward, you're holding the weight in that front hand, and their spinal cord is at an angle through the entire process, which, by the way, this should take like less than a minute. I'm showing it here swaddled for those of you that said you have really active babies. This will probably work better. Right here, I'm showing you the old school way. As you can see in a closer look, the baby's chin and airway are kind of facing downwards, which is not ideal for letting gas escape. So here is the alternative that I was trying to show. The baby is more vertical and we're holding and supporting the head and neck so that you can be able to tap on the back and without compromising their head.